In this video, I'm going to break down on the system that I use to run my 30,000 user software business. And for someone who doesn't know about me, my name is Sanjay. For the first 2 years, I have built and grew my own startup from 0 to 30,000 users, and even got into Shark Tank Thailand and received investment offer. And all this I have done by myself. I mean that I'm solo founders. Yeah, I don't have any teams, but I have the mentor, right? The mentor who guide me on how you can build a system for my own business. Okay, so let's jump into the videos. In this video, I'm going to break down on the 3 parts. There's part 1, which is about the distribution in startup, and part 2 is about building, and the last one is about how I manage to the complexity in my own startup. So let's get started from the distribution part. This part is about how I'm able to getting the user, how I validate the products before. This part is about how I'm able to create the content that went viral and attract the high-paying customers. Not only that, I'm also going to show you the frameworks that I use to validate my own software startup. So let's jump into the first one. So the first one, the first thing that you need to do in building any kind of like software or startup or apps, you need to find the target customer, right? The target ICP, ideal customer profile, how they will look like, how much money they would like to invest in the system, and then you craft the specific content to target that specific person. The video channel that I highly recommend about posting this kind of videos about your software and stuff is YouTube, because it is like one of the best platforms. And if you can create the high qualities and engagement content, YouTube will push your video further to see if your products are worth. And you can use like multiple tools that exist in the market, like product hunt, or will like trust them on to find the software that you can go and that you can like see in the details about your performance and how do you perform. Like if there are a lot of upvotes or even like the high goal rates, you can also like learn from them and improve on what is already working. And not only that, we especially in the AI age, we have what is called the Hermes agent, the own code and others. I have tried install it into my own business, and it did beyond my expectation, right? So now it's can able to run my entire business, especially in part of building. So I have my own like software startup infrastructure. I can like put my entire projects into this agent, and it can understand everything about my like code base and workflow. And I have like the multiple projects that inside my own Mac Mini, and it can like able to like interact with one another, and it can build the new project easily, right? So we have a template and skill, everything except in this workflow. And Hermes agent can also use to do like the social post content, like you can building your own automated system that you can run your entire social media account with automation. And the best part I use is for testing my applications. It can like run the teams of agents that test my entire web application on and spot the mistake or any kind of bugs that would impact the user experience.